Hello student, today we start our lesson number 4, that is logo procedure. Now there are two types of mode. First is immediate mode and second is procedure mode. Whatever has been done until now has been done in the immediate mode. That means whatever is typed in the input box is executed at once. The other mode is procedure mode. The logo procedure is a sequence of logo command designed to complete a specific of task. A procedure may contain other procedure or logo commands. You can write a procedure for any set of logo command depending on your requirement. The command to enter the procedure mode is to followed by the procedure name. Whenever a procedure is to be written, we have to give it name to identify it, and this name is to given after to in the command input box. Now let's see the example. Now let's see example. Suppose I want to create procedure for square. So you have to write in command input box. Here you can write 2 and my procedure name is square. So I write here square and execute. So here you can see one dialog box is open. Now here you can write your command. In previous chapter we learned repeat command for repeating any command. So here I write repeat 4 and in bracket we write FD 50 RT 90 because we draw a square and OK. Now you can see here another dialog box is open. So you have to write for ending a procedure, you have to write end and click on OK. So you can see here our square procedure will be defined. Now next topic is how to run or execute procedure. So you have to write just here your procedure name, that is square, and execute. So you can see here one square is created using our square procedure. Now again I want to see how to create procedure. First of all, you have to click in the commander input box or else command input box, write here 2 and write procedure name, suppose square, and execute. Here you can write your command, suppose repeat 4 FD 50 RT 90 and OK. And here again in another dialog box you have to write end for ending procedure and OK. So your square procedure will be created, and just you have to write here for execute procedure you have to write square and execute. So your command will be run using procedure. I hope you understand how to create procedure and how to execute procedure. Thank you for watching this video.